Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? Today is free leads for MLMs, and this is super important. If you're an MLM and you're not getting leads, you're not getting business, you're not growing your team. So I'm going to give you the lowdown, everything you need to do. I'm going to talk about YouTube, I'm going to talk about Facebook, and I'm going to talk about a hybrid marketing system that you need to engage in order to really uh, take your business to the next level. If that's what you want to do. If you don't want to do that, forget watching this video. Okay, so first off, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you get a bell when I do put up a new video. And I'm just going to jump right into it. Um, Here, I'll share my screen. This is kind of like what we're going to go over, guys. And this is from one of the. This is actually a video presentation that some of the leaders in the company that I'm in. They're teaching us how to do hybrid marketing. So I'm kind of just showing you what they showed us, and it's amazing. It's so simple. It's everything. You just break it down to 3 steps, and it's so easy. I'm going to show you exactly where to go and how to get ideas to get free leads every day. So what are you looking for? Basically, you're looking for other marketers, right? Like, this is the whole thing. Why go to a cold market and try to convince someone all about the benefits of MLMs? Why not go to the top MLM companies that only remember this, only 92% or 97% or sorry, only 3% are actually making money. The rest of them are really struggling. And what you want to do is you want to target the people that are maybe they're dabbling in 3 or 4 different MLMs. And what you want to do is you want to be able to bring them and give them free training in hopes that maybe they're going to look at your opportunity, right? Now, I don't say go poach them directly, but just offer them free training. And this is why you want to use the hybrid marketing in order to attract those people, because the goal of everything is to get people onto your email list so that you can market to them. If you're not putting people on your email list, guys, you're missing the boat. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's start with basically building subscribers. Okay, so YouTube, really easy. What I recommend doing, and this is so easy to do, find a if you don't know topics to do, you want to do how-to videos or reviews. Like, let's say reviews, right? You just want to do a review. Maybe you're trying to attract people to, maybe you're in It Works and you're trying to attract more people that are sort of looking at It Works and they haven't really decided if they want to do it. So you would take something like It Works, right? You go over to a site called Ubersuggest. I was just testing it out before, and you just want to use this site and to generate keywords. So you put in review of It Works, and it gives you all these amazing keywords, right? Reviews of Works, Drink Works reviews, reviews of It Works, review of It Works products, greens. My kids actually love It Works chews. I'm not a rep, just so you know. Keto coffee. So you can see, guys, like, look at this. 2400 the volume every single month, right? Review of It Works 8100. You could attract a ton of people if you can rank for this. So what you want to do then is you want to go over to YouTube, and basically we're going to find you the keywords. So we're going to go to YouTube, and we're just going to go review of It Works, right? In YouTube, we're going to search YouTube for this. Remember, guys, Google owns YouTube, and Google and YouTube are the 2 biggest search engines in the world. So if you're not making videos, and guys, you don't have to be on camera to do this, right? Why I left It Works Global is a double diamond. That's huge, 167. So she's probably promoting a new product. Truth about It Works. So It Works Cleanse, honest review, 56,000 views. So this is what you want. You want to find something with a ton of views. Now there's a tool that I use that you can find. You can see it here. You just go Google it. But anyways, this one has the tags are too short, right? So this person got all those reviews just using the It Works, right? So that's not when you want to. Oops, let me pause that and get the sound off. That's not one that you want to review. Okay, this one, 12,000. Here's one, 21K, 92%, right? So I guess I'm gonna mute it so you don't get the sound when it comes on here. There we go. I'll pause it. Okay, so look at this, guys. what you want to do, still the tags are short on this one, but it's better. So It Works Review, it's ranking for number 19. It's ranking for It Works Distributor, Fat Fighters Review, Fat Fighters, right? So you could copy these, and I'd just get like a notepad. You can push this little button here, copy, and go over to a notepad, or go over to, where am I working here, on my Google Doc here, and you could just put the tags right there, right? So you want to collect a bunch of tags, and I would stick with just anything that says it works, right? And just keep going through the videos and find until you have a list of keywords. And that's how easy it is to get the keywords. So you figure out the video topic you're going to talk about. You come up with a title, right? So you know, my honest review of It Works, choose greens, whatever it is that you want to do. Remember, the keyword back here on Ubersuggest is review of It Works. So you can add on to that, right? But so the keyword is in your title, review of It Works, my honest review of their products, or whatever it is, and then underneath you would put, again, review of It Works again in your title, right? So this is how you would do YouTube. And then you would do those keywords, and you make a video. I'd try to make it at least 8 to 10 minutes. And again, you guys don't have to be talking in it. You can just make a slideshow on Google Docs and just go through slideshows of what you're talking about. Talk over the voice, right? You can do this. It's so easy to do. You can simply do it. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to actually, below your YouTube video, just like below here, you're going to leave your links in the description. And guys, if you are in an MLM, hit yes below. Hey, I'm in an MLM. You know, show me what I can do with my MLM, and you know, don't put your link, but just put the name of your MLM that you're in, and then maybe I can help you out and find some keywords for you for doing it. So that's YouTube, guys. And then you basically just share that video, go into groups, share the video, tell people about it, and you want to continue to do this, right? This is a long game, right? It's not like you do it once and you're going to have overnight success. You got to keep at it and keep at it. And you go, well, how many review videos can you make? Well, you just start learning. Go learn from people. This is why training programs are so important, because if you're tapped into a training program and you're doing maybe 45 minutes to an hour of training every day, you're learning something new. So then you could go onto YouTube and you go, well, do a video on this, how to generate leads for your MLM, and you just do the same thing that you learned. And guys, it will come to you as you start making the videos. They're gonna come. Talk about your journey, right? Like how to go from this to this, right? That's another great one, like how-tos, reviews, and journeys. Actually, I should put that on there. It's like journey. People love journeys, and like if you're documenting your journey, it's a really good thing. So the next one is Facebook, right? So this is so key. Create a private coaching group with your upline. So if you're in, so you're in doTERRA or Melaleuca or whatever your company is, Valentis, Jeunesse, Amway, Herbalife, create a private coaching group with your upline, and you want to be putting people in there that are interested in your product, right? So you want to say, hey, you know, if you're interested in joining our team, we've got this private coaching group, and you're going to be adding value there, just like you're doing everywhere else. You're also going to be posting 1 to 2 pieces of value on your wall, not links to your product, guys, but value. Like show that you're real, show that you're a real person, show, like, go on walks, go out in nature, take pictures of nature, talk about the lifestyle you're living, show a healthy, happy life. It doesn't have to be luxurious, guys. People want to connect, right? So when you're showing flashy cars and helicopters and skiing, it's like, yeah, people are like, oh wow, and you might attract a certain type of person, but really what you want to just show that you're enjoying life, and do truly go out and enjoy life, right? That's why you choose this business. You choose this business because you want time freedom. So go out and do that. The other thing is, and I'll get into this here, I'll show you how to do it on Facebook. So you want to add people from fan pages. Like, I barely add people anymore because I have almost 5,000 friends, and people are constantly adding me. So I actually don't have to. I have to weed through my friend requests. Like, look at this. I don't even know how many are on here, but because I'm sort of become the hunted now. I'm no longer the hunter. But when I was hunting, this is what I was doing. So I've got like this. a ton of, a bunch of them have fallen. I was here to see more. I've got a ton here. I try to go through them all. If you're sending me a friend, here's the thing, guys. If you want to create a friendship with me on Facebook, message me, send me a friend request and message me. So many people send me friend requests. They don't message me. I message back because I don't want to add everybody. So I message back and say, hey, thanks for connecting. Were you looking for marketing help, or are you just building a friends list? The people that respond, usually we get into a conversation and we can see if we are connecting. A lot of people are just trying to get you into your business, right? Instead of actually really adding to your value. So how do you add people from fan pages? So network marketing, right? We got Eric Warray. And guys, and I'm telling you, this is what I did. Eric Warray did go pro. So 1.6 million people like this. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into his page and you're going to look at his posts, right? Here's his posts. And you're going to look at people that liked it or commented it, right? And there's Fraser Brooks. This guy, you got to watch this guy. He's awesome. He's another guy. Go to his fan page, right? So look at this one. 100 comments, right? So right here, all these people, and you can just click on here and look at. You can like them. You can also right click and you can roll over their name, and you can follow, or you can add them as a friend, right? So what I recommend, don't add anyone that doesn't have a profile picture, and go check out their profile. Guys, you don't need to add 100 people. 5 to 10 a day, that's it, right? And you just want to sort of look at people that you connect with, younger, older, go through, spend a little bit of time, maybe spend 30 minutes doing this. Maybe when you get better, it'll take you 20 minutes. And all you want to do is just want to roll over and check them out. And then if there's someone that you look like you want to connect with, look at their profile. This one looks like they're selling protein stuff. See, this is one that you don't want, right? Slimming, coffee, lean, green, health, and like that's not even it's just a spam profile, right? So you want to go through and you want to look at people, and you want to start connecting to them, right? And again, send them a message, guys. Don't just do a friend request. Now make sure that your Facebook page looks presentable, right? Have a picture of you smiling. Show that you're a family. Show a little bit of branding. It's not a big deal to show a little bit of branding on your page. But guys, like just show life. Like we were out walking today. Our kids saw these cool plants, and these little flowers are actually part of this flower. And when the wind blows, it looks like butterflies are there. And these cool lantern pictures. And here's a picture of me making the leaderboard. And and we'll talk about that, guys. I'll put a link to this. This is the hybrid marketing thing that I'm hitting the leaderboard on. There's koi ponds near our house. We're just enjoying life, guys. And people are a little bit of satire. Statue of Liberty last walking back to France. But basically, it was Father's Day, some cakes, right? I'm just showing life, guys. Just showing life. So you're gonna create a private coaching group with your upline. You're gonna put 1 or 2 pieces of value on your wall. Add 5 to 10 people per day from fan pages. Now you're going, well, that's great, Glenn, but how do you actually get the leads? So this is where the hybrid marketing comes in. All right. So you're going to create a landing page, and you're going to create something like this, or in the Now lifestyle, which is what the hybrid is. There's a landing page builder. Guys, this is the least expensive software you will ever own. You're going to go to create page, and basically there is hundreds of landing pages here that you can use, and all you want to do is you want to find something that sort of connects with what you want to use, and it's done for you, guys. This is what it is. Do you want to know the secrets that most marketers never tell their clients, right? Boom, you take this, you make it your own. There's tons of there's tutorials in here to show you exactly what you can do. Like, watch the training video, right? Super simple. You connect the autoresponder to it. There's an email autoresponder. They also have, because this program is so cool, like, check this out. They actually, I've been promoting the program because all my landing pages are already built. So this is actually these guys pay out 100% commission. And this is what's so cool. So you get a tool that is the most valuable tool you're going to have with all the different elements of it, and you get to use it to build your business, and you're not looking like the cookie cutter of everyone else, right? So this hybrid marketing platform, you are going to be 10 times ahead of everybody on your team. And the thing is, what's really cool is in here, when you can build these landing pages, you can actually share them with your team. If you build a bunch of emails that you're going to be sending to these people, you will actually look at earn up to 100% commissions. You will actually be able to share those email campaigns so that your team can use what you're using as well. So you can have a collective thing that's separate from the company. Because think about it, when you basically give a lead to your company, you're giving them money. Guys, leads are money. People on your email list, that is the money. That is the money. Like, you got to get that through your head. You want people on your list. So basically, once you have your landing page built, you put it beneath the YouTube, just like you're going to go down and you're going to click the link for the hybrid marketing system. It's going to be right below here, just like I'm doing. You're going to put the link there. You're also going to put it in your Facebook profile or on your Facebook page or wherever you can. Not in like the feed, and don't post it like 100 times. Put it as part of your business, like as a description on the side of your page, like, hey, learn how to generate leads for your home-based business. Click here, right? Learn more about me. Click here. And when they click here, they can be taken to that landing page that you made, right? Whatever one you choose to where is it? Whichever one you choose to use is going to be yours. And this is what's so cool about, right? It's awesome, guys. So that is, oh, sorry. I'm on the screen there. Anyways, if you want to check out the system, go ahead and click the link below. I highly recommend it. I will add you into, and once you've done that, make sure you comment, and then I will add you into our Facebook group. And it actually will tell you to join our Facebook group right when you go there. So you want to join our Facebook group, and you want to tune into the training, guys. Tune into the training. This is a business. Like, I can't get, so many people join these things and they don't do it. They think by joining they're gonna have this magic thing happen. It's not like that. You have to do the work. And I've given you the step by step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on YouTube, 1, 2, 3 on Facebook, 1, 2, 3 in the hybrid marketing. And what you're going to do, you want to then build that list. You want to email your leads, right? Every day you want to educate them. And if people opt out of your list, that's a good thing, because they're not interested. Why do you want to work with people that aren't interested? You want to work with people that are interested in you. And that's why you want to start making that connection, getting them into the Facebook group, getting them onto your email responder, right? That's the ticket. That is the story of success. If you're not doing that, then you're not going to have success. You need to have this hybrid marketing system to do it. The days of belly to belly and doing, like, hotel rooms and house parties, that's over, especially with the pandemic, right? And this is going to be years before people are going to be really feel safe about having people around. Now you need to do it online, and this is what you need. All right, guys. I will see you on the inside. I hope to be working arm in arm with you with this program, helping you build whatever network marketing company you're in. Or if you just want to build this because it does pay 100% commissions, that's great too. Whatever you want, but these are the tools that you're going to need to 10x your business to the next level. All right, guys, make sure you remember, if you got value out of this, please comment. Please hit the notification and the little bell, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.